Friday morning, not gonna lie, pretty tired right now, but we are heading up north once again. Hopefully gonna finish stock chopping today if everything goes, or maybe I should stop saying that. Maybe that's why shit just keeps breaking and going wrong. But anyways, hopefully get done with that, get it back home, and then holy smokes, yeah, dude. Get the tractor and chopper back home, unhook the chopper, get the disc hooked up, get it ready to go. It's supposed to rain all weekend, so probably won't be in the field much, but who knows, got to be prepared. Come on, load up. Load up. Good boy. Good boy, come on. Good boy. A bit cold this morning. To the next field.
50,000 years came from an archaeological site in the Rhone River Valley, pulling the one from their less than slow.
A woman was arrested for putting pornographic messages and Easter eggs in Florida, which brought us back to the famous story of Chick and his friends putting notes and barring an Easter egg hunt.
A little bit wet out here, boys. Well, it's muddy as all hell out here. We broke yet another bolt coming up from his big chain. Can't even run without it because the chain just gets stuck in this chopper. So I guess I'll go back to where my pickup is, fix that, and then I'll try to record some of how god-awfully muddy it is up here. We had major flood issues. Oh my god, why am I so winded? I need to start running or some shit. Anyways, major flood issues last year. Hoping to just get through it with the chopper, just to start trying some shit out, but I don't know, we'll see, I guess. What do you think, Cash? You guys getting sick of seeing this yet? Because I'm getting sick and tired of doing it, I'll tell you that. Oh, and the bolts broke off in the middle of it, so I'm gonna have to go get a new freaking bolt. Alrighty, the bag is secured. Let's throw these bitches on there and keep on a rolling. Alright, we got her all bolted back up. This time I'm bringing the impact and an extra bolt and nut because I don't want to drive all the way back here for a freaking bolt, so let's just pray that we don't break another one. We can just get this shit over with, my god. So, looks like lunch is here. She's scared to get her shoes muddy. Who wears Adidas Ultra Boost out to the cornfield when I told her it's muddy? Oh, Cash, nope.
Are we all gonna fit in?
Oh, yeah. You don't like her, do you, dude? Peanut butter and jelly, smushed peanut butter and jelly, water, Coke, and can't forget the Doritos, baby. I have the diet of a 5.5-year-old. Just like that, I'm a Lone Ranger. She took my dog, too. What the F? Alright, well, I'm running into a bit of a problem here. This is actually a new piece. It's about 65 acres, just 1.5 miles north of my other 2 pieces I was just in. It is muddy as all hell. Can't get any traction. Trying to learn how to use this freaking auto steer for the first time. Not in the greatest conditions, so I guess we're plugging up the choppers and all sorts of shit, but I mean, it kind of has to be done, so I guess we'll just keep on rolling till I can't roll anymore, I guess. I don't really know what else to do. We got to get it done, so. I forgot to mention also, yeah, I'm chopping diagonal across the rows because the guys who farmed this previously, they actually were on 30-inch rows and we're still on 36-inch rows, so I didn't want to just drive completely over stalks the whole time and fuck up my tires and whatnot, so I'm going diagonal. Having trouble getting over the rows just because it's not really all that wet out, it's just super slimy and slick, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but hopefully one way or another she'll get done. We got the old school horsepower and the new school, baby. What's up, beach? I got like 250 of you guys packed into right here. Alrighty, we're finally finished up with stock chopping. Heading the 10 miles back to the home farm south. And hopefully we're gonna get hooked up with the disc and start rolling probably tomorrow, but might even try to get a little bit in tonight. I don't know. We'll fucking see. Well, boys, today's our first day of discing. Done about, I don't know, 60 acres or so far. It's my first time running the GPS for any long amount of time anyways, and so far working pretty good. No complaints. I'm back down at our home place and it's a lot drier here, so can't really complain, but it's gonna be a long night. It's supposed to snow like 4 inches and rain a couple inches or some shit tomorrow, so trying to get as much field work done as humanly possible. Fancy.
We on a boat cruise, let's drive down to the river, let's ride, or to the lake, let's vibe, day drinking all the time.